Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix your hosting or website is not showing in the Google search. Now if you're facing this issue, so we'll talk about few solutions that you can try and hopefully one of them will work for you. Now first of all, make sure that you have done a proper SEO of your website, as it is very important in today's time that there are a lot of competitors that you got in your list. So make sure to post the good content, optimize your website, like use proper keywords. And once you've done all of that, hopefully your issue will be fixed. And after that, like let's say that you're still facing the issue. So what you can do is just open the website of Hostinger, which is like hpanel.hostinger.com. And once you go to this website, just go to this section called domains. And inside the domains, just go to the domain portfolio. And inside the domain portfolio, you will basically see the domain that you have got from the Hostinger. Since I do not have any of the domains, so you will see a website or a domain that you have in this section. Now, once you have the website, just make sure to copy the complete domain or URL and just go to the Google and search here Google Search Console. And once you search this down, write this statement on the Google, press enter, open the first website, click on Start Now. And you will be seeing this kind of interface. Welcome to Google Search Console. Now in this section, make sure to enter the name of the domain that you copied from the hostinger that you will be seeing in this section. So let's say this is the website. This is my website, toprankistio.com. Like let's say this is my website. So just go to Google, go to this Google Search Console and search here toprankistio.com. Just make sure to write down the name of your domain which is available. Just click on continue and it will start verification. And now as you can see, like it is not verified. So there are a few options: verify later, verify, or remove property. So make sure to go to this section, like select record type and choose it to txt. And once you click on txt, you will be seeing this code. So you can read the instruction as well. Sign into your domain provider, copy the txt record below and paste it into the DNS configuration. Just copy it, go to DNS like this section, domain portfolio. And inside this section, you will be seeing an option called DNS. So make sure to go to that section and paste that address, which is a txt address, paste that address into this section and click on save or click on add. And once you have added that, after that, go to this section like toprankSEO.com, verify domain ownership via DNS record. Once you have added the DNS record into the hostinger, click on verify and it will start verifying. And once verified, hopefully your website will be live into Google search. So that is a simple and easy process. Like the video if you find this useful and subscribe to the channel for future updates.